Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain you about 8 amazing gadgets that make your life happy and easier, so let's start with this amazing video. Number 1. Bud. Safer and durable electric vacuum seal containers. The Bud is manufactured of premium food-grade PET material, which is safer and more enduring than other vacuum-sealed containers on the market that are made of as material, which is prone to cracking. In order to produce a product that lives with you and improves the way you preserve your food, we worked closely with specialists whose opinions we trust to take into account every aspect of Bud's design. Just place your food in the Bud container, then use the electric vacuum pump to remove air from it until the container is completely vacuumed. Compared to other vacuum-sealed containers, the Bud container has a capacity of 7L. This indicates that the container can hold the equivalent of 24 eggs. The kitchen will benefit greatly from this. Coming to number 2. Powerful power bank and portable sterilization system. The Phlegm Compact may be easily fastened to the cup with the help of the lid, which also serves to block UV rays from dispersing. Water contains a lot of bacteria that might harm a person's body, according to scientists. The Phlegm Compact UV diodes are situated at the surface, where the propeller causes a movement of water. Additionally, bacteria numbers increase dramatically in standing water, raising the possibility of adverse effects. An electric propeller that is built inside the mug begins to rotate as soon as the power is turned on. Check out the LEDs, for instance, and the device instantly shuts off, potentially exposing their eyes. Coming to number 3. Anker Nebula Capsule. The powerful IntelliBright algorithms developed by DLP result in a 100 ANSI lumen image that is extraordinarily bright. This tiny projector's powerful omnidirectional speaker allows it to erupt sound in all directions. Entertainment at home. Thanks to Capsule's soda-concise design, you can watch your favorite movies, TV shows, and other media up to 100 inches huge from anywhere in your house. Run streaming and media apps flawlessly. For endless entertainment, stream content from Netflix, YouTube, and other sources using your little projector. On a single charge, this soda-concise theater provides 4 hours of fun whenever you go. The Nebula Connect app, accessible on Google Play or the App Store, can be used to control this mini projector. The USB and 2 HDMI ports allow for playback, and AirPlay, Miracast, and Bluetooth streaming give it a new definition. Use a 100 inches screen to play your movies, TV shows, and video games to achieve epic theatrical scale everywhere. Make your presentations memorable if you want to make a good impression on your boss and colleagues. Coming to number 4. Theragun Mini. We made our new, exclusive brushless motor the most small it has ever been. Mini provides Theragun quality relief even on the road thanks to a power-to-size ratio that has never been seen before. Your pocket-sized buddy and provider of Theragun quality muscle care with unsurpassed portability is the Theragun Mini. Theragun Tiny is the most mobile massage gadget that goes anywhere you go, and it is little yet strong. Every feature of the Theragun Mini, created by Dr. Jason Wursland, has been thoughtfully crafted and modified from our classic Theragun design for optimal ergonomic comfort and unparalleled portability. It provides instant relief and relaxation and fits comfortably in your handbag or backpack. More than 250 professional sports teams and physical psychoanalysts from across the world utilize the Theragun, as do players, celebrities, trainers, and chiropractors. When you venture off the beaten route, Mini is right there with you to help you deal with cramps, knots, and tension when they happen. For rapid access and a quick calf or shoulder sweep whenever you need it, tuck it inside a jacket pocket or store it in your equipment. Experience independent, almost silent operation while you instantly release your tension, whether you're at home or on the road. That is the Quiet Force technology's strength. Coming to number 5. Cat Auto Litter Box with next-generation cleaning ability. In dirty litter boxes, bacteria and other disease-causing microbes can thrive easily. If they are not adequately and frequently cleansed, your cat could have serious health risks, such as kidney and bladder problems. An integrated LED weight scale allows you to keep a close eye on your cat's weight. Every time a cat enters Catson, the sophisticated body scale will properly record its weight. Catson is designed to be low to the ground to make entry easier for cats while minimizing stress on their brittle bones. We believe that every cat owner should have the choice to discontinue the tiresome scooping process. Unfortunately, if a litter box is disregarded, it quickly becomes unhealthy for both you and your cat lover. In order to eliminate bacteria and harmful germs, Capsule is the first automatic cat litter box in the world to use UV light with a wavelength of 253.5 nanometers. When the host is in standby mode, take the sterilizing attachment and attach it to it. Any cat home would benefit greatly from Capsule, which provides a peaceful environment for you and your cats while silently keeping up with cleaning in the background. When in use, it merely makes 55 decibels of noise. Coming to number 6. Slizer. The Slizer can be used to keep your work on track and give you the chance to excel at work or school. An excellent portable stress reliever that can be worn at any time and anywhere and can complement your personal style. Bring the Slizer along when you go on your next ride. Use it when you are lounging around in your neighborhood park, or watch a movie while holding the Slizer in one hand and a popcorn in the other. These, in particular, include magnets made of rare earth metals and eco-friendly polymers. The Slizer was created using natural materials. This holds true for both our everyday lives and the crops we develop. Coming to number 7. Kodak Slide and Scan Film and Slide Scanner. The new Kodak Slide and Scan digital film scanner allows you to view, edit, and convert your old pictures without any technical expertise. With the push of a button, this 22-megapixel scanner's simple yet trendy images are crisp, clear, and stunning. The benefit of not having to strain your eyes to see is great. Old memories will come to life on the enormous 5 inches LCD screen's extra-wide viewing angle and gallery mode, which makes it perfect for previewing images or using the scanner as a desktop photo frame. Unlike other annoying scanners that need you to remove the tray and adjust slides each time, our easy load insert system enables continuous feeding, significantly speeding up the scanning process. In addition to the standard 50mm slide holder, 3 adapters for compatibility with 135, 110, and 126mm films are also provided. Finally, you can merely scan instead of navigating the annoying software and difficult onboard buttons. Coming to number 8. Smart Voice. Turn your speech to text in 109 languages. With the compelling charging feature of Smart Voice, 100% charge in 1 hour is guaranteed. Shrewd Voice lasts 2 weeks on one charge when used frequently. That implies you can have a device that can copy and translate simultaneously and supports 109 different languages. Members of Nifty Voice feel that people demand a new tool to identify their speech and quickly and properly translate it into text so that we can stop endlessly typing. So this is all about this video. If you like any product from this video and want to buy product, then the product buy link is in description, and hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.